In 1982, an English family sought a new beginning in an old, silent house. Its dark windows watched, hiding secrets deep inside. Soon, an unsettling presence appeared within the house. On a wall, a faint face emerged, filled with sadness and silent screams. The face shifted, sorrow turning to intense rage. Its eyes glowed ominously, its mouth a silent roar, fury deepening further. More faces appeared on every wall, each with a uniquely tormented expression. The house became a haunting gallery of despair. One night, the father vanished mysteriously. The mother, consumed by fear, tried desperately to escape, but whispers bound her to the house. Suddenly, flames erupted violently, consuming the house completely. When the smoke cleared, a charred wall stubbornly remained standing. On the wall, a new face appeared, smiling serenely